Dear friends, hi, this is Nick Polyushkin. We haven't been here for almost a month because I was traveling for business. Now I'm back. Elvis,
Hi.
nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
I was afraid that I will leave and nothing will happen, but look what Elvis did. So this is amazing. So tell us, when last time we were here, the first level was poured. I was with Raul. You were not
Yes.
here. The first level was there. We went on the first floor, I think, over there. And then now you poured two more.
Two more levels. The hard floor was the first floor.
Yeah.
It's a higher elevation. And we have to go higher. Once that is done, it's kind of like a repeat work.
Yep.
Because the third floor is about a mirror from the fourth floor.
Exactly.
We just get all the pour shore, we do the form, put the concrete, and we're doing now the fourth floor. The fourth floor is a little bit complicated. We can go out there and I can show you.
I can't wait
But
to
so
go
far-
and check it out. So let's go, walk the project, climb the stairs, and we'll start from the up from the roof, and then we'll go down. Let's go, Elvis.
Okay.
So basically, that's the height over here will be. That's the like
This is about 18 feet.
18 feet. So this is gonna be an apartment already.
It will be about 14 feet.
14 feet clear. That's very
Around
good.
9 feet.
That's very good, like ceiling height, spacious. But in these apartments on the first floor, the ceiling height will be crazy high. So these lofts, and they will have access to the garden too, and it's going to be very nice units. So the apartments will be in this part.
In this area.
That's where the parking.
That's
is.
where the parking will be. That's when you get the parking right in this area.
Yep. The stairs down. So here, how you gonna pour? So you're gonna pour the concrete here, or what's gonna?
Yes, if you see that line,
Uh-huh.
that will be the top of the slab.
Oh, so this so you will start pour, and it's gonna go
From
up
there
here,
down 4 feet, 4 inches.
4 inches. So this whole thing will be poured as well.
Yes, even that area too.
But-
We have to still level that.
Uh-huh. Oh, over there too, because it's lower.
We have to level that area, and that will be the parking lot.
And about these beams, so you will remove them before you pour the first pour.
Yes, this
They support like they're right.
they support all the floors. They call them post shores.
Post short.
This allow me to put the slab on top. The drawings, the number for the engineer who calculate this. I have to have 100%, 100%, and 60%. That's every 3 floor to transfer the weight,
The weight.
of the slab. So now we already have the cables. If you see the holes, they usually be cables. I mean, you
over
can
there.
see it up there.
Yep.
Once we strengthen those cables, we get inspection and we cut them. And that's when the slab work on itself, holding the weight. But we still gotta have this to carry the weight from the other one.
So yeah, right now if you remove it, it's dangerous.
Yeah, it's dangerous.
Because you need to tie up the cables inside. But how you tie them up? Where the
Through here. So you get a hammer and you tie them up and you put them in there.
and about the cables, like inside, if they inside.
The
so-
cable will be inside
But how you make it strong? Or it's already.
There's a machine
Oh,
it's
machine?
inside,
Oh really?
and the machine strengthens those cables almost to the point they break.
Wow.
And they get like something really. They give you the strength. All the engineer, the structure engineer, they do the numbers and they tell you the strength. You have to put every 3 feet, 4 feet, or however. And there's two. They always call it the uniform and the bands. The uniform goes certain way and the bands goes
Go
a
this way.
certain way.
So were there any issues with the pouring next 2 floors?
So far, the cable was an issue because we have to redesign. The engineer, when you're drawing, is a lot different of what you're building.
Mm-hmm.
He draw on the piece of paper, so sometimes he forgot about the elevations. And we got the cables going down, but the cable cannot going down and then like that, because then you cannot
Of course,
pull
you
it.
cannot pull it.
And we have to fix that.
Do you talk to him?
Wait, yes, it was a coordination.
Yeah.
He was pretty good. He actually is the one who got the
Hook, yeah.
and we fix it.
Maldonado, right? Maldonado, yeah.
Yes, BBC.
Yeah.
This is the foam that we're talking about. Is going underneath the bathroom. That's a structure foam. So we put the slab on top.
So this is going underneath in the bathrooms, right? And then concrete up top.
Oh, concrete on top.
But they go on the. Do they go on the
slab?
On the slab. On the slab. Yeah.
We had the meeting about that. It was one of the issues that we're talking about.
But is it okay material to? Oh, this made in Brazil. Those
are the plywood that I was telling you.
Brazil has a lot of wood.
I know.
We import doors from Brazil, so. Okay. Oh, first time walking up the stairs. This is cool.
We put the stairs the same time we put the slabs. So I don't want to leave anything behind. I don't want a lot of mess.
Yep. That's cables.
Those are the cables.
Oh, so
we
that's
straighten
how
the
you.
cables, and then we put a grease cap, and then we will cover this and make this even and make it smooth and nice.
This is poured or no? The side walls. Side walls they at panels or no?
No, those are poured concrete.
This is all everything poured.
Everything is poured there.
The rooftop. Oh, that's the.
Those
cable.
are the cables. Now we had a machine
To cut
and
it?
we stress this cable
Yeah. Push it.
almost to the point it's breaking, and then we cut them. We have to get inspection, and that's it.
This is crazy technology. I saw like few apartments building. They build through the block. We like.
Now from now on, it will be blocked.
Now, yeah, go up. So we in the rooftop. This is a nice view.
Yeah. Remember, this will go up a little
Yeah,
bit.
it will go up because it's a roof system. Did you meet with them or?
Yes, Raul is calling, and we're going to meet. You see the cables now?
Yep.
After we stressing the cables, we cut them, we put the grease cap, and we seal with the
You
concrete.
see it. Yeah, but this is very nice open. But I think all this street is changing. They're gonna build like few more properties here too. But the good thing is that this way is unobstructed because school, stadium, it will stay here forever. So that's why it's very good thing. And this way, I mean, only if somebody start buying each individual condominium and like convert it to something, maybe, but no, I don't think so. It's all, I like this part, like all this greenery. So this way is like, you feel like you're in the forest and this way is the city. Next project we will do higher.
A little bit higher.
But that's, zoning. So every time you do the project, you need to understand zoning. Here it was 4 stories, max height. And for us, it's our first like multi-family, so we didn't want to go like crazy because
No, but this is nice.
it's best to,
The
for us.
design, it was really nice. I mean, Modis did a good job
Yeah,
doing
Modis, our architects, they did
the design.
a
and
good job.
Actually, this is a place that I will buy because the structural engineering, I think he
Overdid.
the structure. That's why we spend a lot of money on the foundations.
I know.
They're huge for this kind of building. So,
But the
this
building
a
is very strong, solid.
very strong, solid building.
Yeah. Maybe we will all live here.
Yeah.
I like the loft. I would have like combined them and just keep a
Yeah,
2-bedroom or something like that.
Well, you have at least like 4 2-bedrooms.
Yeah. Okay, let's go check the lower floor. Can we
Okay.
walk through here?
Yeah.
So this is the second staircase. We're going from the 4th level down to the 3rd level.
So as you can see, the plywood is the one who holds the concrete in place.
Right now, yeah. But then we will remove it or it will
After
stay.
we stress the cable, we remove this. We get the inspection. We always get a cylinder every
for
12 volcanoes, and we send them to a lab So whenever they come back with the result, and it's more than 3,500 psi per square inch, so we're ready to just pull the cables.
To pull the cable.
Once we pull the cable, the slab will work on his own. Meaning like he will carry his own weight and everything. So then we remove this.
So no, after this will be removed, it's very good ceiling height as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's where we will
The
have...
lower part will be this part, but that will be about 9 feet.
Oh, so this part is... But this is a corridor. I know, some of the units are there too.
Yeah.
And this part 9 feet. And why? It's lower because of the roof. That's the balcony, right?
Yes.
And this calls for plumbing? Or
yes.
no? Yeah?
This is all the plumbing, the drainage, they will be there.
All the way down through that hole.
Yeah.
That's where the plumbing will go.
Pretty good.
Oh, you put something like
those.
Oh, like this one inside, and then you take it out.
Yes. We put this in right there in the plywood before we pour.
This is for wires, right? Maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, this is for wires.
This is one of these that is underneath. Once we break it.
Oh, once you break it, then it goes.
It will be like that.
So many little details. Construction is like crazy.
Yes, you have to know where everything it goes before you even have it. So you don't have to make a hole after that, because there's a lot of cables and rebars, and you don't want to mess with the structure. All the conduits, they are already pre-done.
That's the corridor. Yeah.
Yes. In between.
So Elvis, for the last floor, how long do you think it will take to do the block? So when the structure will be like kind of completed with the...
Now we have to do the blocks, because those are the walls, they call it load-bearing walls. Those are walls who carry the weight. So we have to put the blocks, then we do the forming, and then we prepare the slab.
So the blocks will go into the openings?
Yes, but upstairs. Once we get stressed and we can be able to remove all this, we're starting with laying the masonry.
With the laying So when do you think you will start removing this one?
I will say about 15 to 20 days.
Really? Already? So next time we come, Elvis will be removing them already. It's a lot of them to remove. But here you already removed the plywood.
Yes.
So over here we also have the view on the stadium. Yeah, because first floor is high enough, so it's perfect. Now this is amazing progress. I love how the structure is already like up there, and it's been lots of work for sure.
The transition in between the stairs, you're going to have a door in here, but this is flat, this is already done.
Yeah.
So if you have tile in here and goes about ½ inch, it's a trip hazard. And that's what I want to know, all the finishing. So if I build this ½ inch higher, whenever you get the transition, it will be
even.
Smooth.
Yeah, smooth. So we need to know what goes
yeah,
here.
that's what we had the meeting. If they say you're going to do carpet or something like that, it's not a big deal.
Yeah. Okay.
Because you won't have that big transition from the stairs, and the same thing happening inside the units. If you're going to have tiles in the unit, but then we do a threshold.
Threshold, yes. Elvis, thank you.
Okay.
Good job. I'll see you in 2 weeks. And hopefully all the post-shoring, right?
Yes.
I'm learning so many words now, it's crazy. We'll be gone, and we'll come back, do another video and see the progress. Thank you so much for watching. This is Aventura Quattro construction project, and it's amazing multifamily. Soon it will be open for you tenants. So stay tuned, subscribe. Thank you, Elvis.
Thank you for the opportunity.